So guys, in this video I'm going to share with you guys another company that pays you for doing nothing. Yes, you heard me right. You're not going to do any work whatsoever, nothing, but you're going to get paid. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through on the sign up process and how to install it and start earning. So basically what you do is you earn points and you redeem your points via any option that you choose. Okay, I'm going to show you guys everything that you need to know on this one. So you can redeem your points via gift cards or by purchasing a product. So any product you choose from the company will package and ship it to your address free of charge. Yes, too good to be true. So I'm going to show you this website. Another thing is that you can add as many family members of yours as you want. You can add as many devices as you want. You can decide to add your laptop, your computer, your iPad, your phone, or you can add as much as you want, and each of these devices will be earning their own points differently, but they will all be accumulated and you can redeem them whichever way you want. You can also add family members. Yes, you can add family members, your children. If they have different devices, you can add them, and they will also be earning points which you can redeem via any option that you choose. Okay, so I'm going to walk you guys through, but I beg you guys to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share the video. All right, even if you're not able to do it, share it to other people that might be interested, okay, so that they can benefit from it. And the reason why I always talk about you guys liking my video is that it helps the algorithm to know that people are liking this video and this type of content. So guys, do like my videos. Okay, the company's name is Nielson, and yeah, so this is the home page. But first of all, you have to come here and sign up. But if you're signed up already like I am, you just log in. So when you log in, it brings you to this page. This is the home page, where for here, like I said earlier, you can add as many devices as you have in your home, and each device will earn their points. Okay, you can add your computers, tablets, and smartphones. So these are the devices I have so far. You can add or remove any device that you want. Okay, and you can also add people. Like I said, you can add your children, your husband, whoever you want to add. So even if you have 50, if you have family and friends that you want to add, you can add them. Just install this app in their systems or in their computers, and you're good to go. Again, when you add these people, like I said, you'll be making your points from individuals, like all of them. You'll be making individual points from each of their devices, which will be accumulated and paid out to you because you're the one that added them. You're the owner of the profile. They can also sign in or sign up on their own and start earning points on their own. So when you accumulate points through this means, from your household members, from your devices, after you accumulate points, you can now redeem. So feel free to read the panel agreements and what this is all about. Yes, then for the reward, I'm going to tell you guys how it works. So whenever you, or let's say they pay you, first of all, monthly, they give you like 200 points every month. They also give you like 600 or 800 points, I think, between that range, quarterly. So you get paid, you get credited with points every month. By the end of the month, you get credited with points, I think 200 points. So you let it accumulate like I do. That's the secret I'm giving you guys. I don't just cash out immediately. I don't redeem it because it's not gonna earn me. I don't want to cash out like £5. It doesn't really make sense to me. So I let it accumulate. So the higher the point, the higher that your cash out will be. For instance, if you have 2,000 points, you're gonna cash out. You can cash out Aldi gift cards of £10. You can cash out Nando's gift card or Nando's whatever. If you make 1,000 points, you can cash out £5. But if you make 14,000 points, you can cash out £70. You will pay £70. If you also have 20,000 points, you can cash out up to £100. Yeah. So look at my points so far, 8,891 points. I believe by the end of this month, they should hit 9,000. So how do you redeem this point? You come here. This is if you want to redeem it via gift card options or purchase electronics, sports and outdoors, home and decor. So let's check out their gift cards. So you can see all the gift cards available. They have so many of them. They even have Amazon gift cards. You can see. So you go through them, even TK Maxx. So 3,000 points will get you £15 TK Maxx. Yeah. Even IKEA, 5,000 points will get you £25 IKEA gift card. And if you come here, you can go through all of them and see. Even M&S, 8,000 points will get you £40. Primax, 10,000 points will get you £50. So if I'm to cash out my gift card, if I'm to cash out via gift cards, right? My 8,000 points that I have close to 9,000 points now, would cash me £40 M&S. That's Marks and Spencer. Okay, so these are the options, the gift card options. There are numerous number of them. Even Sainsbury's, you can cash out 1,000 points gives you £5 Sainsbury's gift card, and many more. Because of time, we don't want this video to run for long. You can check them out and see. 6,000 points gets you £30 of new look. Okay, so my best one is let me check. I think my best one is electronics. So you can pick anything that you want, anything whatsoever. This one is you can pick between headphones, speakers, earbuds, like anything, as long as you have the points. And you can also search for any keyword that you want. Like I was looking for a kettle, electric kettle, the other time. So you can search for anything literally that you want from this one. You can also search for fashion and accessories, home and garden. You can also search for baby stuff, books, charity. You can also donate the gift cards to charity. That's what it means basically. So this is a really good one. So I have about 8,891 points. I've been trying to redeem it via appliances. I was trying to get this kettle. Okay. And this one too is a blender. a food processor, and my money, my point is enough for this. If I wanted to, all I'll do is to add it. So you can also add to wish list, so that whenever your points is reaches that amount of points needed for this, you will be notified. So if I wanted this, I just click on add to cart and it will be added. So when it's added, what you can do is click on checkout. So click on checkout. So you see, like I said, it's free shipping. Anything you pick from this website right now is free shipping. So if I want this now, they would ship it to me free of charge, and then yeah, they'll take it out from your points. This is good, you need to try it. So I forgot to mention, you need to install it on your computer. When you sign up, you then install this. Look at it here. You install the extension on your computer. So by just leaving it there, it makes the point that you need. So this was the one I made a video on yesterday's wash. That one too is making the money. I started yesterday after I shared with you guys. It's making money already. Okay, so that is it guys for this one. When you sign up, you add Nielson computer and mobile rewards panel. You add it to your computer or your mobile phone, and you start making points, start accumulating points, and start redeeming them via gift cards or buying physical products, which will be delivered to your address free of charge. So that's it guys, because a subscriber asked for this, and here it is. Thank you everyone for watching till this minute. If you like this video so far, why not subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and also like the video and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos.